So hi and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to talk about AP-ICT counseling. We're going to talk about the dates, registration process, universities, what you can target, and all in all. First of all, what you need to understand that what is the step-to-step guide. Does their notifications are already out? Yes. The registration window will be starting from 27th of July till 4th of August. So till then, you can register yourself. If I talk about the official website, I'll be posting the link of the official website in the description box, but I'll just tell you, it is basically cets.apsche.ap.gov.in. So we'll be putting the link in the description box because it is very difficult to pronounce even. So if I talk about the official counseling schedule, registration and fee payment, that is 27th to 4th August. Online certification verification, it is basically the document verifications what you have uploaded. That will start from 28th July, right? Web options entry starts from 30th July. Now, if I talk about change of web options, that will start early of August, and seat allotment results will be expected in the mid of August 2026. So that is basically the counseling schedule. So Abhi, you have the dates for the registration, which is 27 July to 4th of August, followed by verification, and then accordingly you will be getting your results in the month of August. Now, if I talk about what are the mandatory documents you need to upload, that is ICT hall ticket and rank card, right? Your 10-12 graduation. If you're in your final year, the previous documents is something which is required. Degree provisional certificates and marks, right? Then residency certificate, which we call it domicile, and caste certificate, if you belong to some specific category. So these are few documents which will be required, followed by your Aadhaar card and your passport size photograph. Now, if I talk about the top colleges when it comes to the cutoff based on AP-ICT, it includes Andhra University, Visakhapatnam, JNTU, Kakinada, Sri Venkateshwaraya University in Tirupati, and SRM University, Mangalagiri. So these are few options which are the highest cutoff options through, AP-ICT, which is under the rank of 1 to 1500. Now, if I talk about top autonomous colleges, includes colleges like Sri Venkateshwar Engineering College, Sripati, RVR and JC College of Engineering, Guntur, Dr. Lankapalli Bulaya College, Visakhapatnam, PVP Siddharth Institute of Technology, Vijayawada, and Gayatri Vidya Parishad College, Visakhapatnam. So these are few autonomous colleges what you can apply through the counseling between the rank of 1500 to 5000. So again, you need to apply to the counseling specifically. They also have TFW seat, which is tuition fee waiver seats. 5% seats are reserved to the students. For that, your income certificate should be under 8 lakh rupees. And again, the cutoff for all those seats will be on a lower side, right? Again, all these colleges, majority of colleges which comes under counseling, though their cutoff is on a higher side, but it really doesn't mean that, they all are very good when it comes to MBA. So I will give you a small and it is very important suggestion that before getting into colleges, before proceeding for the choice filling, make sure that you should verify the placement reports of all those colleges by connecting with the students over LinkedIn. And accordingly, you can fill for the choices, right? Let's in case if you need any help from our end, all you can do is fill the form which is there in the description box. This was me, Arshi Khan, signing off. Milte ek aur episode ke saath.
I hope you like this video. For more such videos, keep watching our channel.
And do not forget to like, share and subscribe.